Hi, I'm Allison Goida, the Founder Residency Program Manager here at the Roux Institute in Portland, Maine. Excited to have you here today to dig in on what venture creation acceleration programs we offer and how you can get involved as a mentor with those founders. For some background, Northeastern's Roux Institute is designed to spur innovation, build talent, and drive economic growth here in Portland and in the state of Maine. We have four main pillars: partnerships, research and development, academics, and entrepreneurship. And to learn more, I encourage you to head to our website. So kicking off with our venture creation acceleration programs, we have a flagship program here called the Founder Residency. There are two flavors of that program. The first is the underrepresented founder residency, first-time founder residency. It is specifically geared towards white female, BIPOC, rural Mainers, or veteran founders, and is meant to alleviate any barriers to focus full-time on a venture, allowing founders to go from nights and weekends to being a full-time founder. This program is divided into three phases. You can see at the bottom, phase one, connections 2 weeks, is when they're connected with mentors. So when they participate in something called the mentor match, which we'll explore later on in the video. The intensive phase, which is the programming and workshopping, focusing on anything from marketing to finance, investment, building mission, vision, and values, a bunch of different workshops that are curated for them and facilitated by external subject matter experts. The second piece of the program is the 9 months heads down phase, the build and scale. This is when companies are able to really focus full-time on their ventures without participating in curated programming and workshopping. The second flavor of that founder residency is the future of healthcare. This is a year-long residency as well, designed to support digital health, healthcare technology, biotech, and clinical innovation founders at the earliest stages of their entrepreneurial journey. This program is a partnership directly between Roux Institute and Maine's premier healthcare systems, Northern Light and Maine Health, which serve 90% of the population here in Maine. It's the first of its kind in Northern New England, and some of its differentiators from other programs is that there is a $50,000 investment where founders should expect to get direct access to top clinicians, healthcare experts, and be able to use these healthcare and hospital systems as a test bed to test out their technologies. So what makes us unique with this flagship program, the Founder Residency? Both offer investments to the companies, both offer mentorship, not only access to the Roux Institute's mentors, but now a larger venture mentoring network across all global campuses. We also offer a concierge service for these programs, which is a legal fellow to assist companies in their legal needs and connect them to law firms here in Maine, in addition to a business and design wizard and co-op, essentially someone who is able to help from anything from data visualization to marketing and branding. And of course, our programming, access to subject matter experts, knowledge, and content in that way. So focusing on the mentors, because we have hard launches of our programs, for example, the Future of Healthcare Residency will launch in March, mentors can expect to get involved directly with founders at the very beginning of their program kickoff in something called the Roux Institute Mentor Match. At the beginning of each program, we'll pull a call out for mentors to participate in this program. It's essentially a speed dating for mentors and companies where they meet with each other for 15 minutes at a time and then rotate to the next either mentor or company. At the end of this program, which generally lasts a few hours, both mentors and companies will fill out the evaluation forms, and for each person that they met with, they'll either say, yes, I think this is a good fit. No, this might not be the person I'd like to work with at this point in time. Or maybe in the future, I think I could utilize this person's expertise for a coffee meeting, for a one-off meeting. We'll take all the dual opt-in yeses from both mentors and companies and match each company with a team of 2 to 5 lead mentors. Lead mentorship essentially is a 1 hour per week for the first 10 weeks of the program commitment. So when we thought about those phases, phase 1 connections is the first 2 weeks, and then the intensive stage. So while the company is participating in programming and workshopping, we expect those mentors to be also offering 1 hour per week to that company to make sure that they have a strong foundation of support and knowledge. If, per se, a mentor is not selected or matched with a company from the mentor match, that's completely fine. They can exist in the Roux mentor network in the VMN as a coffee mentor, and perhaps our founders would send them a message or try to contact them if they wanted to connect for a one-off meeting or future mentorship. It's important to note that it's never compulsory to participate in the Roux Institute mentor match, that mentors say they have a very busy March and the next program kickoff is in July for the first-time founder residency. It's entirely fine to not opt in to participate to the March mentor match and wait until July, or vice versa, pass on July and then get involved in the next mentor match program. Our mentors have various experience and technical expertise in different sectors, and we're very thankful for them for their support. Our founders also, outside of the Future of Healthcare Founder Residency, have various sectors that they're getting involved in. For example, we have one company currently that's in food entrepreneurship, another that's in fintech, the other is in literacy tech. So it's important to have a varied and robust mentor network in different sectors and areas. The companies that you'd get involved with here at the Roux Institute have already seen significant amounts of success. A few of our companies have elevated their mentor relationships to have their mentors serve as advisors on their boards. So we've seen great success thus far, and we're very much looking forward to what's to come. If you have any questions on what it looks like to get involved as a mentor with the Roux Institute portfolio, I'm happy to connect and look forward to working with you all.